Welcome to Apocalyptic Village in South Georgia. The apocalypse was hit over a year and a half ago, and we're making do with what we got. We don't just surrender and give up, we just go about a living of our life. Right now, what you're seeing here is laundry. This is the wash cycle. It's not very hard, it's pretty easy. Now we're going to turn it on rinse. I'm letting all that soapy water drip out, so when I do my rinse cycle, there's not as much soap in there. I got, I think, 4 pair of jeans in there and 1 cargo pants. Now we're in rinse. What do you think? Usually I put 2 hands on there to work it, but I'm just using one right now. This is one of our little cabins that we have set up here at Apocalyptic Village. Thank you for watching Apocalyptic Village. Okay, today I'm going to make a hand washing machine. Now I put this post in the ground right there with the bracket here. It's like a truss hanger. And I just got a couple screws right here. These screws are just for my phone. I'm going to put it up there and use that for my camera stand. You're going to need a couple drums. This here's like a 15-gallon drum, and you're going to start. I already started drilling the holes in them, and then a little way through I did on the bottom, and I did a little bit on the side. So I got this, and that 15-gallon drum, and this mineral bucket that's my washing tub. That's my actual washing tub, and this is going to go inside of here. And I have a thing that's going to make it go up and down like this on that rod, on that fence post I put in the ground. I'm using this for drilling the holes. I got different sizes in case I want to add a couple more smaller holes. Or you can even use this. Now, up on the top there, where I'm going to put a long post on top of the fence post, that's going to be my leverage to lift this thing up and down. You could use something like this also on there. And this is a small example of what I'm going to be doing. The washing machine will be on the other side, and you'll be going like this. So it's still a lot easier than doing it with your hands. I'll make sure I got the weight leverage just right to where when I'm lifting that bucket up, it won't cost me hardly any energy. And I'll just lift that bucket up and down, let it soak for a while, go do something else, come back, take a break, have a glass of water, and sit out here and look at the scenery, and then I'll do this again. So that'll give you an idea how it's going to be done. So that's one side right there. I got the bottom done already. And I could add some more small holes to it if I need more small holes. So I'm getting ready to have to go change my battery in this thing. I can tell that already. On this indented area right here, where it's meant for a handle like, these are also handles. I find that these break underneath a lot of pressure. But in here, right here, I'm going to drill a big hole. I'm going to have a rod that goes all the way through, or a pole that goes all the way through to the other side, to the other handle, and then a washer that holds it on. And that's what I'm going to be picking this up and down with. And I figured this would be a good spot because this looks like it's reinforced real good right here. And you wanted something strong since you're going to have the weight of the clothes, and the clothes are going to be wet. This is Waco, my dog. Sometimes he's, depending on how he's acting, some days we'll call him Waco, and other days we'll call him Wacko. He's a Great Dane and Pit Bull mix. Excellent dog. So you got to weigh it or not, whether it takes less time to do it with the big holes, so you have less holes to drill, but you still got to take them things out. Every once in a while you got to pop them things out. Or to use a paddle bit, which all I have is a smaller hole for those. Yeah, all I got is the smaller ones. So you got to weigh that and see if that's what you want to do. All right, well, we got a real good start there. So I just want you to get a general idea of what I'm doing here. Like I said, I'm going to put a big hole right here and a big hole on the opposite side, and run a nice long pole through there with a weight on this end. So when it sits up there on that fence post there, I'll be able to rock this thing real easy, gently, up and down, even with all the water weight that's in there and it filling with water. And I'm going to add that counterweight over here to where it's going to make it really light. So, all right, thank you.